In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Venmo account suspended. If your Venmo account has been suspended, it can be frustrating, but there are steps you can take to resolve the issue. The process depends on why your account was suspended, which could be due to failed payment, suspicious activity, or a violation of Venmo's user agreements or other security concerns, and here is a general guide to how to fix it. So the first thing you always want to do is you want to check your email. Venmo typically sends an email explaining why your account was suspended. Look in your inbox and also check your spam/junk folder for a message from Venmo with details about the suspension and any specific instructions. So if the suspension is due to failed payment or negative balance, you need to go ahead and pay back the amount owed. So to do this, you want to go to the bottom menu and select on this option that does say me. And you'll notice that we will have our balance right over here. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this button that does say add money. And you guys could actually go ahead and add money to your Venmo balance using a credit or debit card. You can also cash a check or even set up direct deposit so that whenever you do get paid from your job, it actually does go onto Venmo. Once the payment clears, your account should be reinstated automatically. However, if the suspension was not due to a failed payment or if you're unsure of the reason, reach out to Venmo support team. So to do this, all we need to do is we need to go to the top right and select on the gear icon just like so. Then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on get help, and this is basically going to allow you to talk to Venmo customer support and ask them why your account got suspended. Tell them your situation, and also you want to make sure that you are professional whenever you are writing to Venmo customer support. You want to make sure that the conversation is cordial, and you want to make sure that your messages are short and concise. Venmo also does have a number as well, so you guys can actually go ahead and call Venmo customer support and actually get someone to talk to you one-on-one. Here is the phone number. It's 855-812-4430. So I recommend that you guys go ahead and give Venmo a call. It is available Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern time. And by the way, whenever you are calling customer service on Venmo, you need to provide your full name, the email address, and the phone number linked to your account. Be prepared to explain your situation. And again, whenever you are talking to someone on the Venmo customer support, you want to make sure that you are professional. You don't want to go ahead and start cursing at them or anything crazy like that. You want to make sure you are calm and collected. Venmo may ask for verification like a photo ID, bank statements, or other proof to confirm your identity or account activity. You want to make sure you follow their instructions carefully and upload documents through any secure link they provide. And never ever send sensitive information to a regular email. You want to make sure that you only, work with the official Venmo sources. Another reason why you could have your account suspended is your linked bank account. Ensure that your linked bank account has sufficient funds and avoids transactions that might violate terms of service, like business use on a personal account or buying prohibited items, and secure your account with a strong password or PIN. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.